There you go. Clean them off now. Easy, right? Easy, guys. Easy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, someone is just here for what do you call this? Placeholder. Yeah. Alright guys, so today I'll be trying to make some cards, right? Well, it's summertime and summer is at home.
Mommy,
Daddy got a word.
Dad, got work.
Okay.
Dad, mommy, mommy.
Okay.
Dad,
Alright, can I count now? Yes. Okay, so I am trying to make some cards, right? We need someone to be able to spell it. Even that, what color do you color that in? Purple, good boy. So I'll be making some flashcards and this will spell his name out. Right? Yeah, so I have cardboard and when I decide to measure it out for my all of them they are equal size, I can try my best, right? So I'm gonna cut them out.
Yeah, I do it, mommy. What?
Right? Let's see, guys, how this turns out. Thank you. I do have flashcards for him with, the letters of the alphabet and all. But the way I'll be doing this is he will be able to trace the letters also and erase it, right? And how that will be possible is because I'm going to put tape over it so you can be clean it afterwards. Right, so guys, what we need is, I'll never tell you that, little cardboard, tape, and marker. Alright guys, let me show you. right? We did the S just now. This is it, right? And to trace, let's see, seen it? And then trace. There we have it, right? And then it can be erased. Got it? So I'm going to do the additional letters. So A, M, U,
Now we died.
You're hearing more, sorry guys.
Now we died. S. Mommy, Mommy,
Alright guys, this is it. And we did this all by using cardboard, tape, ruler, scissors, markers, and something to erase after tracing. Right guys? So here we have the finished product. Remember, you can always use a ruler to get the spelling or each letter to be more neat if you wish, right? But here we go. Here is it. This is what we're gonna work with for now with me lot.
look guys.
So we have Samuel right here, and he's going to trace it. Okay.
No lie.
So
no,
see,
Mommy.
S A M. What's M? Oh, it's H. S A M U E L. Samuel.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Use the blue one there. Alright. So, we're gonna use the blue. So, you can trace it. Good. So, you did the S. And then do the A. Look, no. Erase it. from now.
Mama.
So you're gonna do it on the line. Okay?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I do it.
You can do it yourself? Trace it. Do the rest? Yes, the next time.
Oh no, I mean.
You missed? Come on. Do in the middle. Good, so that's A. What's that?
That way. That way.
So guys, you get the drift. So that's it. Come on. Can do the M?
Yeah.
Okay. Look what you're doing. Trace on the line. So yes guys, see? That's it. Like I say, you're showing them. That's M. You do the M. Okay. You want to do more?
Yeah.
Come on. U. U.
You.
So guys, like I said, patience. Do this thing. Yeah. Show them. Show them when you're finished. Yeah. Show them the U. That's you. Nice. There you go. Clean them off now. Easy. Right? Easy, guys. Easy. Rub this one off now.
Okay.
See?
I can't.
And I'm bye.
Die.
You saying bye?
Die. Go back.
Right? Remember to like, comment. You can leave us a comment and let us know what you think about it, right? And if you are going to try it, and after trying it, did it work? Did your toddler enjoy doing it, right? So remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, the journey continues. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.